Hi friends, let me show you this new foot massager with heat function that I received for reviewing purposes. These units are great for relaxing after any activity. During a work break or a workout break, you can use them to relax and be ready for whatever comes next. Let me show you. It comes really nicely packed. Okay. You get the user instructions and a remote. Here's the remote. You get rid of this plastic cover so the battery will be alive. Also, you get the electric adapter, okay, to connect it to the electricity. And this is the actual unit, okay? Let's try it. Now we are ready to use it. As you can see, it has a neat option, air, heat, and a timer, which you can find in the remote also. So you put your feet here, okay? You relax, and you can start any option that you want. You can turn air on and off. Okay, changes color when you deactivate it. The machine is working already. So when you want to have a time for relax, you can be watching TV or in a work break and having a good time. You can turn on the heat option like that. So you will feel a massage, but also a heating sensation in your feet, okay? Also, you can have a timer. You can set different time frames, so it will work automatically and turn off when it ends. If you do workout, if you work a lot standing, or if you want to relax anytime during the day, this foot massager with heat is a great option for you. Thank you very much.